last tutorial, this is a last part of the exercise. We completed up to how to insert the images. That's all we did. Now we see how to insert the text box and paste this vision and mission. So I'll copy this one, first one. I'll copy vision and mission. Insert text box, copy and paste the following information they are telling, and size is 22 bold, correct or not? So now I will go there, you see here, I'll copy it. This is what my information. So I make it as black 22, here 22, black color. We can align properly. So vision and vision only we want to make 22, not full. So I'll make other text as smaller because it's not inside. So I make 12, or otherwise I'll make little bit bigger, 22 like this, 20, 18 like this. I'll make 14. So what exactly I want to do is here only vision and mission 22 and bold they are telling. So vision and mission, this is 22, this particular word. So bold 22, bold 22. Clear. Next point what they given is, they said below given design. Okay, below given design you can see vision text and drop cap style 2. That's what they given. So drop cap style 2, select this one, format, drop cap style 2. This is 1, this is 2. Same, we can do drop cap style 2. Clear, finished. So this is our second point. So what is our next one? Next one they say that insert graduate picture and apply the picture border blue color and weight 1 point. Okay. So insert the picture. We know already how to insert the picture. Insert picture. Graduate picture we want, so we want to do the graduate picture. The same folder all the informations are available. Graduate pictures, this is graduate pictures. So I'll make a little bit this one and keep it here. And border blue color 1 point. Correct or not? This is picture border blue color, this is blue color. Can you see blue color? Weight 1 point. Weight 1 point. Can you see? This is one. That's all over. And what is the next one? Next one I want to do this goal. This is a goal information I want to copy and paste like this. So goal information I want to paste. Goal should be 22 bold. Okay, I included all the things. I copy the things. Text box, insert, shape, text box. So now what I want to do is do it. I'll insert the text box, copy and paste it. But all are red color, I make it as everything color. Okay, then I can do it. insert bulleting. So I insert bulleting. Already bulleting is there. You can see here, you can see the bullet. That's what I did. Bulleting where you want to do is here. Can you see bullet? Home bullets. Here if you click bullet, more bullet is coming. If you click the things, whatever it may be, you can get the more bullet also is available. So this is what we are doing here. So more bullet is coming. So we can see here, go and check the bullet, different bullet. If you want a diamond, can you see a diamond? Or if you want this one only they are coming. Gold make bold 22. They say 22 point. Okay, this is what we did. So now this also over. And what is another point? Another point is nothing but choose goal and word and make 20 bold. Insert text box and type location and address. Change the rotate left 90. Fill with light green color. Apply any picture art. Correct or not? Picture art steps. That's what I given. How to do the picture art. So this is what already I created. This I'll delete and then I'll show you for you. So I'll insert shape text box. Here location and address. Location and address. I think this is what they mentioned. Location and address. Rotate left 90. So better before doing it, I will little bit bigger I'll do and increase the font size. Now I want to rotate. Rotate, how you do? Format. Format here, the shape you can see rotate. Rotate left 90. Can you see left 90? So this way also you can do, or this way, or if you want to locate this way, anything you can do it. So rotate 90, then I'll keep here. Make smaller this one. They said fill shape fill light green. You see light green. This I did. Clear or not? But another important thing, they want, what they said, they want text box fill light green color. You can see light green color. Apply picture border art. What is picture border art? Picture border art is nothing but here you see the location, no, this one. Right click this one, format text box, you see border art. In the border art you select anything, you can select. I selecting this one. This is my border. Any border, give OK. Can you see? Again I'll repeat. Right click, format text box, border art. You can see here border art. You can go and select any border. This is a method. This is what the border art. So now we completed our exercise. This is the last point of the exercise. I think we completed completely. So this is what our page 1. This is our page 2. Can you see? Now we'll save the file once again. That's all. End of the